Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Dare to Be Creative, and I am here with a birthday gift haul kind of video. My daughter picked me up some items, excuse me, for my birthday from TM. So she just let me go down the aisle and pick out what I want, so have fun. So I'll show you what I got. So this is a Bo Bunny sentiment stamp, and it is called just a sentiment stamp, but I might try to see if I had a different name. But anyway, it's $2.99 as the rest of them are. It's 14 pieces. 2050960. Right now you can still call that hotline number and check and see if it's in your area. So it's got some sentiments up here. You can see that. There's the lighting. I don't know, it's better or worse. It's a hot light. It's nighttime. But anyway, it has some stuff like happy birthday. It's got different fonts. It's a couple actually. Happy birthday. Thank you with sympathy. Enjoy your special day. Congratulations. Thank you. Hi friend. Or happy day. Hello. Hi. So a lot of different sentiments. 14 different ones. And then the rest are all spellbindersdies. Look at that. I cannot believe that, because this is after what day? Monday? Was it Monday? Yeah. She only got these. So I'll do the big one first. This is the Shells Duality. This is the only one I was on the fence about whether or not I have. This one is 2047536. And again, these are all $4.99. And alright, and I'll show you the size of it. It is, let's see, 7 by 1. So this is some of the ways that you can use this die. So you just use it multiple different ways to make your borders and your strips. So it's 3 pieces. So you can cut just that centerpiece into the paper, cut it out. You can, use this to cut it out on one side, or cut it out on both sides, make the strip. So you can see it right here, how you can cut it. The blue pieces are cut. Excuse me. So you can cut it out. You can make a edge either way. So that's the way you can use this die. So pretty cool, 3 different ways, and it's 3 different pieces. And this would be great for a 5x7. And as you can see, how big it is. Sorry about this lighting. I'm not liking it. That's the only one that I know. That's questionable. All the other ones I know I don't have. This one is 2047522. Yeah, they all have different numbers, and this is $4.99, like I said. And this one is called Twisted Floral Tags. And this is a 5-piece set. I am so hating my lighting in here. It sucks at the moment, sorry. Anyway, I apologize. So that's how it looks. I'm gonna show you what they look like. And it's also give me a chance to check, make sure all my pieces in there. So you got a couple that can look like little frames, and you can put some sentiments on those. Corner accent. Some more pieces that you can layer with. This one is 3-piece sets for a decorative accent, and it's 2047488. I'm just not liking the way they're showing up over here. I just feel like you can't see anything. Okay. That's a little better. And that one was that one, if you can see that better. It's hard for me to look at the camera. Oh, that's too bright on that one. Anyway, so 3 pieces. They look like nesting pieces, and because it is a nestability. So that's the biggest one. That's a pretty cut. And they fit nicely. And I have the diamonds one. I got that last week. That's similar to this. It's a Savoy. I forgot what it's called. Something, but some more of a diamond shape. This one is the Floral Swirl Twigs 4-piece set. And this is 2047534. And these all say December. I just realized that. December 18. So I guess these would be out in December next week. So let's see how this looks. Okay. So that's one piece. And then you have this so that you can cut out the inside. Or you can just, you know, cut it and then actually emboss with it too. And this piece would be a little dimensional. Either way, you can label inside of there. And this is the other piece. You go that way as well. And of course, you have that centerpiece if you want to cut it out or you want to leave it in. So it actually makes your die a little bit more versatile when you have those insets. So this is when you leave it in. You can see more like a label versus when you cut it out. This is Labels 54 Decorative Element 3-piece set. Nice size die right there. You can cut that out and you can cut that out. So you have options with that middle, how you want to do that, or you can layer. Did I read the number 2047518? This is a Florence medallion for a piece 2047526. So again, a very nice, huge piece. Look at that. So you can use it at an, you know, up and down that way, at an angle that way. So you can change your orientation. And then here's your other pieces that layer. So just these with the shapes. That's nice. And then you have that centerpiece right there. So you've got some options. You can see that. And that's the Florence medallion. Nice size. And then this one is Renaissance Tags 2 6-piece 2047497. So let's look at those 6 pieces. So you have that one right there. And you got the centerpiece that goes right along with it. And cut that out. And you got your rectangle piece. And you can cut that out. That's 4. And then you got some decorative elements on the sides that you can use to corner off something or layer with some flowers or something like that on it. So these also look great on the cover of a mini album or something like that, or tag, and you layer it with some flowers or something like that. This one is Pointed Mini Envelope 2-piece set, and it's 2047504. So this is just the envelope. Which I really don't need that one, but I had to pay for it, so so, and it has that notch here as well. And then the last one is I'll Never Leave You. How cute. Nice little pun. 2047481. And I'm sorry, I don't think I read this one. 2047504. And this is 2047481. 3-piece leaf. And these are nice size leaves. Look at this one. That's a big leaf. And this is even bigger. So I hope you guys check out my birthday challenge, the red challenge. Hope you play along. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.